Susanna and I were in the car. There are these giant storm clouds ahead of us. Say hi, Susanna.
Hi!
Bet she's asleep. No big deal. You can't see her, but she's back there, I promise. We haven't lost her yet. Gogo's still here. Bye, Gogo. We're on the road up into the Blue Mountains. We're headed to Warrumbungle. Giant clouds are worrying me like crazy. Look at giant truck. Big truck. We're headed up a mountain. Look at that, look at that. Oh, you have to turn the car.
There's a road.
There's a road ahead. She has to turn the car because there's a road ahead of her.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Look at that. Look at that. Would you look at it? No, not you. You look at the road.
Sure.